Hello and welcome to a super quick, raw, unedited action video from RC Empire and our very first onboard footage. Now quickly, this is the new GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition with Hypersmooth mounted on top of our amazing HPI Trophy Buggy 3.5. Now around the outside you can see all the output data that the Hero 7 logs, and you can trigger this on by turning on the GPS function. We have a lot more onboard footage like this to come that we've already recorded, but I was so impressed with this test that we had to get it out to all of you to see. So please rate, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of the video.